Tonight, Prince Harry getting blasted by the judge after being a no-show in the opening day of his trial, suing newspapers for allegedly hacking his phone and violating his privacy. In Harry's absence, the judge reprimanding his lawyer. Although the prince will testify tomorrow, Judge Sir Timothy Fancourt said he was surprised Harry wasn't there today and argued the first witness should have been able to take the stand if there was time. Harry's lawyer, David Sherborne, explaining he wasn't in court because he was attending his daughter Lilibet's second birthday party in Los Angeles.
Good afternoon, Harry.
Harry detailed the negative role the press played throughout his life in his autobiography, Spare.
My existence was just fun and games to these people. I wasn't a human being to them. I wasn't a 14-year-old boy hanging on by his fingernails. I was a cartoon character.
The prince's testimony tomorrow set to make history, as Harry will be the first royal to take the stand in over 100 years. Prince Harry and others are suing Mirror Group newspapers over alleged unlawful information gathering. The Mirror's attorneys say Harry is wasting the court's time. The case involves 148 articles published between 1996 and 2010 that revealed information about Harry's personal life that he claims was obtained illegally. Harry's lawyers detailing in court the lengths the publisher and journalists went to in order to obtain private information, including, they say, phone hacking, gaining information by deception, and the use of private investigators. Sherborne saying no aspect of the young prince's life was safe from press intrusion. And details of his relationship with ex-girlfriend Chelsea Davy were all revealed and picked apart by the three Mirror Group titles.
I put the chances at 50-50, maybe 60-40 I'd ever see Chelsea again. Odds were, the press would cost me another person I cared about.
Lawyers for MGN categorically rejecting Harry's allegations, saying there is no evidence that any mobile phone owned or used by the Duke of Sussex was hacked on even one occasion. MGN's parent company, Reach and Reach, has apologized for one instance where the Sunday People newspaper unlawfully sought information about Harry, but has denied all other claims. Harry's allegations against the press evoking memories of the troubles faced by his mother, Princess Diana, who died in a car accident while being chased by the paparazzi.
I'd been told that Paps chased Mummy, that they'd hunted her like a pack of wild dogs. I hadn't been aware, before this moment, that the last thing Mummy saw on this earth was a flashbulb.
Prince Harry now set to appear in court tomorrow for his historic testimony and could face up to a day and a half of cross-examination from MGN's lawyer.
Tom, this case is casting a spotlight on very uncomfortable issues for the royal family, and many here in the UK are asking whether Harry will come to regret the deeply personal questions he's going to have to answer in open court. But Harry has said changing the media's behavior is his life's work, in large part because of what happened to his mother. Tom?
Okay, Josh Letterman for us. Josh, we appreciate that. When we come back...
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.